Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll walk you through how to write a friend visit visa invitation letter. This letter is an essential document that formally invites your friend to visit you and supports their visa application. You should begin your letter by including your full name, address, city, country, email, phone number, and the date. Next, address the letter to your friend by stating their name, address, city, and country. Use a clear subject line, such as invitation for visit visa, to specify the purpose of the letter. Start the letter with a warm and formal greeting, addressing your friend by name. After that, write, "I hope you are doing well. I am delighted to invite you to visit me in your country, from start date to end date. During your stay, we will explore various attractions, enjoy local cultural experiences, and spend quality time together. I will be responsible for your accommodation and general expenses during your visit. Please find attached the necessary documents to support your visa application. If you require any further information, feel free to contact me. I eagerly look forward to welcoming you soon. Sincerely, your name." Here's our sample friend visit visa invitation letter. You'll notice how it formally invites your friend, provides essential details about their visit, and supports their visa application. By following this format step by step, you can craft a clear and professional invitation letter that strengthens their chances of approval. This letter helps immigration authorities understand the purpose of the visit and your role as the host. And with that, I end this video. If you found it helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on writing formal letters.